In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a video on your iPhone without losing any quality. So first of all, head over to your settings and check for your camera settings. So scroll down and click on camera. Click on record video, and here you just need to choose which resolution to record your videos. The higher the resolution, the higher the video size. So this is just the first method to first of all avoid recording heavy videos. So let's say you've already recorded a heavy video and you want to reduce the size of that video. We're going to make use of a third-party application. So just head over to your app store and search for video compressor, and then you click on it. So scroll down and look for this application right here. For me, I already installed the application, so I'm going to click on open. So when you open the application, this is what it looks like. Tap on the plus icon here and select the video you want to compress. So I just added my video, and you can see the file size. The original file size is right there, 15.8 megabytes, and the estimated size after compression is 2 megabytes. So I can adjust this by just adjusting the bitrate. As I adjust the bitrate, you can see the estimated size after compression reduces as well. So when you have your desired size, you can preview this right here. So you can preview the original and preview the compressed video to check for the video quality. When you're done doing this, you can just click on continue. So we can see they are compressing the video, and when they are done compressing, just click on finish, and your video is going to be saved right to your photos.